Welcome back to Gearhead Talk, the podcast where we dive deep into the world of automobiles, from timeless classics to the latest innovations. Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane to revisit a true American performance icon, the 2007 Cadillac CTS-V. And joining me to share his expert insights is our resident automotive historian, Guest One. Welcome, Guest One.
Thanks for having me, host. I'm excited to talk about a car that truly set a new standard for Cadillac.
Let's jump right into what makes this car so special, Guest One. For many, it's all about that engine. What can you tell us about the power plant in the 2007 CTS-V?
Absolutely, host. The heart of the 2007 CTS-V is undoubtedly its LS2 V8 engine. This isn't just any V8. It's a 6.0-liter displacement marvel that truly delivered a punch. It was factory rated at a robust 400 horsepower, and an equally impressive 395 pound-foot of torque. This engine transformed the CTS from a respectable luxury sedan into a formidable performance machine, challenging established European rivals.
Those are impressive numbers, but how did all that power translate to the driving experience? Was it just a straight-line monster, or could it handle corners too?
It was much more than just straight-line speed, host. While the LS2 V8 allowed the CTS-V to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.8 seconds, Cadillac engineers also focused heavily on its dynamics. It featured large Brembo brakes for excellent stopping power and a specially tuned sport-tuned suspension to keep it composed. Crucially, it was offered exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission, making it a true driver's car.
A manual transmission? That's music to a gearhead's ears. Beyond the performance, how did the CTS-V look and feel? What about its design and interior features?
Visually, the 2007 CTS-V maintained the sharp, edgy, art and science design language of the standard CTS, but with an added dose of aggression. It had a unique front fascia, mesh grille, and larger wheels. Inside, it offered a blend of luxury and sport. While standard features were good, enthusiasts often sought out the optional Recaro seats, which provided exceptional bolstering. It also featured a premium Bose audio system for entertainment.
It sounds like a well-rounded package. Looking back, how do you view the 2007 CTS-V's place in automotive history and its appeal today, especially considering its classic cars category?
The 2007 model was part of the first-generation V-Series, which truly established Cadillac as a performance player. At the time, it was an incredibly underrated performance sedan, often overshadowed by German competitors. However, its raw power, engaging manual transmission, and distinctive American styling have helped it age gracefully. Today, it's become a sought-after enthusiast favorite, offering a compelling blend of performance and practicality with strong resale value. It's certainly earning its modern classic status.
Guest One, thank you for that fantastic review of the 2007 Cadillac CTS-V. It's clear this car holds a special place for many.
My pleasure, host. It truly embodies that era of raw American muscle meeting sophisticated luxury. For anyone looking for a powerful, engaging, and unique performance sedan but doesn't break the bank today, the 2007 CTS-V is absolutely worth considering.
A ringing endorsement. And there you have it, listeners, the 2007 Cadillac CTS-V, a true gem for any automotive enthusiast. That's all for this episode of Gearhead Talk. Join us next time.